What's going on YouTube? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the 20,000 milliamp solar key wireless charger. You get this on Amazon.com and it's going to run you the low of $37.99. Okay, so let's run over a couple key features and then we'll dive into it and see if this is worth it. So it has a key wireless charging, LED flashlight, IP54 rainproof protection, solar energy, shockproof, IP6 dustproof, illumination mode, SOS mode, strobe mode, and you can charge 3 devices simultaneously. Word. So quick look at the box. If you want to check this stuff out that's on the back, all this information, all you got to do is pause the video and you can get all the information that you need. But let's open this up. Okay, got a little box, and we got the charger. Just came out the plastic, and is that it? Oh, we got more. Okay, we got a card, some stuff like that. Okay, let's see what's in this little box, and that's it. So you have a charger, a little short charger. That's terrible, but a little short charger. But most people have multiple micro USB chargers, so that's what it is, micro USB to USB. Then you have a lanyard, wrist strap, and you get a keychain holder to latch it on to something, and you get a little instruction manual, and then you have the actual power bank. Okay, so right here, you see it? Can you see that? It says Type C, so you got a USB Type C charger right there, and on this side you have output 2, input and output 1. So you flip that case off, you got 3 slots, input 1, input 2, and what's the output, or output 1, output 2, and then the input right there, my bad. Then you got a power button right here, and this is your lights on the bottom. Okay, so this is your solar panel right here. So you know you have some solar light, you just take this outside, sit it in the light, and charge your device, charge this actual device. And then this right here is your wireless charging spot. So you place your wireless charging device on here and it will charge wirelessly. Look at that. So I'm pretty sure right here that this is like your LED notification as far as your battery power. So let's click that on right there. You see you got 3 LEDs. So I always say when you have 4 LEDs that they go about 25%. So right now we're about 75% charged up. So we're good to go. Let's try out the wireless charging feature. So got the iPhone XS Max, so iPhone 10 Max, and you see it's charging. Okay, so the iPhone right now is charging. See that? Alright, so you charge it wirelessly, real easy to do. But let's try to charge up a few different devices at one time. So let me grab my iPad real quick. Alright, so they said, when I read, you know, the instruction manual, when I looked at everything, it said that you can charge 3 devices at one time, but actually you can charge 4 devices at one time. Alright, so I got my Samsung S8 Plus with the USB Type-C cord plugged in to the USB Type-C slot for the charger. Then I have the iPad plugged in, charging here. Then I have the iPad, I have the Apple, what's this, the 5C plugged in here, not the 5C, the 5S plugged in here. And then I have my phone, the Apple iPhone 10S Max plugged in here. So that's actually 4 devices charging at one time. So you see right here, see that's charging 61%. And we got the iPad right here at 100% charging. We got the iPhone right here, hello, charging. So if I put the iPhone back on the charging pad, 4 devices charging at one time. That's super dope. Alright, so I read, the manual. I'm going through the manual and stuff like that. And I read that the USB Type-C charging port right here, and that the micro USB charging port cannot be used at the same time. So you won't get that input and be able to use the Type-C charger at the same time. Okay. Now, when you charge it, all you do is simply plug it in. And when you plug it in, you see your LEDs begin to flash right there, letting you know that it is actually charging. So to activate the light on your charger, all you do is double tap the power button. So you double tap it and that activates the light on your charger. Now if you tap it one more time, it will activate the caution light. So that's your caution light right there. And if you tap it one more time, it'll activate the SOS light. So that's your SOS light right there. And to get all this off, or to get back to the regular light, you tap it again. It goes back to your regular light. And just to turn it off from any one of those modes, you just double tap the power button and it will turn off the light completely. So all in all, after going over this, messing with it, reviewing it for a little bit, this is a hot product, you know what I mean? You could charge 3 or 4 devices at one single time off of this, which is pretty dope. You got the SOS feature, the flashlight feature, and stuff like that. That's dope. The solar panel for solar charging, that's dope. You know what I mean? You got water protection on here. You got shock protection in case you drop it. So this is rugged. This thing is ready to go. You throw it in a bag and you just rock with it. How often would I actually use the solar charging feature? Probably not often. You know what I mean? Just to keep it a bean. I probably wouldn't use that charging feature often, just because I can't think of many situations where I would be out without some type of charger. You know what I mean? I got tons and tons of chargers to use. But like I said, this could be that lifesaver. You get stranded in the dark at nighttime, your car break down, you out and about. You got this thing charged up. You got a flashlight. You know what I mean? Your phone dying and you just happen to be out and you can use it. So it does have its usages for sure. It's just depending on, is it worth it for you to get it? And I think at the price point that it is, for $38, you can't really pass it up. You never know when you need this type of device. But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If this video helped you in any way, let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. If you want to see more of my content, you can do that by subscribing to the channel. And all you got to do is click the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, make sure to click the bell notifications. To follow me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is click the links in the description. But we out into the next one.